Hello everyone, welcome to K's Cafe. Hope everyone is doing fine. I'm Kiran here. Today I'm going to talk about a very simple topic, gratitude. Well, what is gratitude? A simple word. What does it mean? Well, it just means to be thankful for. Thankful for what? Thankful for everything what we have in our lives. Be it home, family, friends, food we eat, at night the sleep we get, we have friends to fall back upon, we have people around us in our families, we have parents, we have brothers, sisters, even pet dogs or any kind of pet which we have at home. Have we ever given it a thought that we need to be thankful for all these things in our lives, which are already there? But at times, we do take all these things for granted. It's already there, so why should I be thankful? It's okay, it's there. Give it a thought. If it wasn't there, then what? So, my dear friends, gratitude, very important part of our lives. Start practicing gratitude the moment you wake up in the morning. What is the first thought which comes to our mind? And what is the most important thing we have to be grateful for? Guess? Life. Yes, life. Sometimes we take it for granted that we will live, 30, 40, 50 years, but we don't know the next moment, the next day. We set an alarm that, okay, I'm going to get up, but we don't know. Are we really going to wake up in the morning? So, practice gratitude for life, for just being alive. If there is life, there is everything. Otherwise, there is nothing. So, yes, why do you think gratitude is so important? And how is it going to affect our lives? Firstly, it gives us a feeling of well-being, feeling of goodness. It makes us humble. And the moment we are humble, we rise in our own eyes. Our people around us love us. Have we ever thought that there are so many people in our lives who are actually making our lives comfortable? Give it a thought. If I think of, I have so many people in my lives who are actually helping me to lead a very comfortable life. Try saying thank you to your help, to your driver, to the security guard, to the grocer, to the milkman who brings you milk every day, to the dog walker who takes your dog for a walk. List is endless. You just have to give it a thought. And if you start thinking like that, your life is going to expand. That's a promise. Gratitude makes us expand our lives, makes us humble. And when we thank the universe with gratitude, there is abundance which is going to flow in our lives. Universe has abundance. But firstly, we need to thank. We need to thank the universe for what universe has already given us. The moment we do that, whatever things we are actually wanting more in our lives is just going to fall from all around, from the universe. Be it your success, be it more friends, be it raise in the salary, be it, traveling all around the world. But first is gratitude. How do we practice gratitude? Try with simple things. If you think a friend has done you something good, or your brother or sister helped you sometime, and it was a great help, and you need to really appreciate that help, send a note today. Send a message. Hey friend, hey buddy, thank you for that day. And you see the joy and the happiness that person will actually have. Try saying thank you to the help you have at home or somebody in office. Oh, you are the boss. Try saying thank you to the employees. People are working for you day and night. Of course, they are getting paid off for. But how will they like you? Once we appreciate their work, once we are grateful for what they are doing. That is why your company is doing well. Am I right? It's not one man's job. It's a combined effort. You are a teacher. Say thank you to your students for making the class so joyful. Every morning we wake up and, want to go to the students. Every special occasions they wish you. Right? Wake up one morning and just go and give a nice hug to your parents and say thank you for everything. Mom and dad, you've been wonderful. And you will see the smile which actually, lightens their face. They don't need anything else. They are not asking anything else. They just want your appreciation and your care. And how do we care? Just 2 simple words. Thank you. So, how do I practice these simple things? Try doing with small steps. Automatically you will see that it becomes a part of you. It's just part of your system. You can't get away without saying thank you. Try it out. Write a note today. Put it in your prayers. Thank you to the Almighty for being so kind, being so nice. And once you put it in your prayers, you will see how your life expands. Oh, it's going to be just bountiful of happiness all around. And you will see that everything is falling into place. Try it out. I have experienced it and I practice it every day and night. Before you hit the bed, just say a small prayer. Thank you for everything. What a wonderful day I had. And tomorrow is another day, which is going to be even better. Why? Because I have gratitude for today. And once I wake up in the morning tomorrow, again I will say thank you. Make it a part of you. Friends, if you have not done it yet, try it out. I promise you, it's going to change your life. Simple words, magical words. Thank you. Grateful for everything. Gratitude. Abundance is going to just come in your life. With this, I take leave today. Do comment and share. What do you think? Are you grateful for everything in your life? Or will you start being grateful from today onwards? Do subscribe to my channel, my dear friends, and I promise you we are going to be on a very beautiful journey together. So, tata and take care from Kiran at Case Cafe.